Hello students, if you are excited about mathematical sciences, then Cheenta has already been a community for you. You might be taking the online programs for Olympiads, research and so on already. We have also offline programs on these topics. Non-routine problem solving, Math Olympiad, Physics Olympiad, experiments. And they are available right now in Calcutta and in Purulia districts. In future, we want to do it in other cities and towns as well. The idea is very simple, that we at Cheenta work really hard to train our faculty members on beautiful problems, on experiments and so on. These internal exercises happen every day, every week. That reflects on the actual programs at Cheenta. Maybe you do not know this, but every faculty member in Cheenta is actually involved in some research project. That keeps them energized and motivated to solve new problems. This is not just mechanical teaching. We are absolutely passionate about solving beautiful problems, whether it is real life problems, whether it is mathematical problems and so on. Now these faculty members, when they teach offline, in person, that energy level, that enthusiasm is of a completely different level. So if you are in Calcutta or if you are in Purulia, Durgapur, Bankura, Bokaro, all of those regions can easily access these offline programs. They happen once a week. And if you are taking the offline program, you will also have access to the online problem solving classes, the software, all other resources. Of course, we want to do good in Olympiads. We want to do good in problem solving, in research papers and science fairs and so on. But at the end of the day, this is a long game. It's a marathon. We want to love and do mathematics for the rest of our lives and solve beautiful problems. So that only happens if you have a community around you. That only happens if you have teachers who are equally excited about this topic. Now, what are the programs available at the moment? If you are in grade 3, 4 and 5, there is a math and experiments program available. This is a very unique program. It contains the Math Olympiad program at Cheenta, and it contains elements from the experimental physics program, but obviously at a very simple level. Students do experiments first and then they move on to the math associated with those experiments. This is in grade 3, 4, 5, and the experiments are actually really easy, but the teachers handhold them and help them to do the experiments. The second program is for a little bit older kids, 6, 7, 8. And this is also very similar. You do experiments first and then math associated with it. The math is a little bit heavier then, because we are also planning for American math competition and IOQM. Then comes the IOQM and AMC 10 program, which is usually grade 8, 9, 10, 11 students attend it. It's a fantastic program. It's very dense. We do a lot of problems from IOQM, RMO, INMO problems which are advanced in number theory, geometry, combinatorics and algebra. And finally, we have the exclusive ISI and CMI entrance program, where you can prepare for the B.Stat, B.Math entrances for ISI and the BSc Math entrance for CMI, Chennai Mathematical Institute. All of these programs are taken by the senior faculty members at Cheenta. Also, we have sort of an open space. So even if you are not taking classes in some of the other days, you can just come in, take the books, work with the equipments, stick around, talk to the faculty members. So it's a common space where mathematics and science is happening. Even if you don't take the program, I invite you to actually come in. On Wednesdays, we have pitch meetings where you can pitch your own ideas. Maybe you have a great idea to solve a great new problem. Tell us about that. So a lot of exciting things are happening. check the link in the description for our address and location. It will be fun. We will do mathematics, we will solve problems, we'll do experiments, and we'll have a great time. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.